Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Penguiny. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a lucky star. If you're new here, a big welcome and please subscribe to my channel. To start, you'll need some paper. I'm using this cardstock I got from Joann's, but you can get any paper at your local craft store. Next, you'll need to cut your paper about this length, 1/2 inch by 12 inches. I am using a paper trimmer to cut these, but if you don't have a paper trimmer, you can always use scissors. So once you have a strip of paper, since my paper has a back side that is white, I'm going to flip it over to that side. Take the end and flip it over just like that. Then take the smaller end and put it through to make a knot. Then tighten it so all sides will be even. Next, flip it over, and if this tail is too long, you can trim it. But I just fold it and tug it under. Flip it over. Take the long strip and fold it up, lining it up with the left side. Flip it over and lining it up with the right side. Flip it over and again on the left side, then to the right. You'll want to repeat this until you get to the end. Now when you come to the end, if it's a bit long, fold it a bit and tug it under. Now you have the shape that looks like a pentagon with 5 edges. It doesn't look like a star yet, so you'll want to hold it like this and pinch the edges in. Make sure to do the front and the back so the star will look even. And there, you have your lucky star. It's pretty simple and fun to make. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny, and see you in my next video. Bye!